I love people. I love getting to know people and figuring out like what makes them tick, what they're passionate about. I love helping people to achieve their goals and to living just that much better. I listen. I try to understand people. I'm in the people business and I love serving people. My name is Dr. Daniel Hulse, and I'm a family medicine physician here at JCMG. A primary care doctor fields a lot of the issues that are then passed on to other specialties. A primary care doctor is the first point of contact for the diagnosis and the care of a lot of very complicated health problems. Besides that, they should be a friend and your mentor in a way, that you visit them yearly. We do tune-ups as needed, and we're making sure that you stay disease-free as long as possible. I'm really big on, lifespan, but also health span, being how long you live being disease-free, being how long you live being independent and able to achieve the goals that you feel passionate about and live the lifestyle that you want. I want your lifespan and your health span to be very similar. The way we do that is by our preventative screenings, making sure that we catch things early, making sure that we take care of problems before they become really big issues. Also, a primary care physician is your sounding board, the person that you can come to and talk to about any problem you may have. It makes me feel a lot of joy knowing that I made some kind of impact on somebody's life, that I help them to stay mobile, that I help prevent a heart attack in the future, especially that I helped calm their fears about a new symptom that they may have. The body has an innate ability to correct itself, and our job is to help those abilities to work more efficiently. So I like to keep people in the loop. I like to make joint decisions with patients so that they can get better and feel better. And after we get a couple of things tuned up, I get to see the difference as they follow up in 3 months and 6 months, and it just gets better and better.